Bakerworks. Hi guys, today we will teach you how to make coffee bun. Coffee bun, a sweet buns consisting of a fluffy white bread dough and then topped with a coffee-infused buttery cookie crust that is almost cream or frosting texture. Ingredients. For the dough: 260 grams 2 cups bread flour, sifted. 35 grams 3 tablespoons caster sugar, sifted. 3 grams 1/2 teaspoon salt. 5 grams 1.5 teaspoon instant dry yeast. 60 milliliters 1/4 cup milk at room temperature or slightly cool. 60 milliliters 1/4 cup milk mixed with 3 milliliters 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 egg 50 gram without shell at room temperature. 40 grams 3 tablespoons unsalted butter softened at room temperature. For the coffee flavored topping: 35 grams 1/4 cup all-purpose flour or bread flour, sifted. 1 gram 1/8 teaspoon cocoa powder. 30 gram 2 tablespoon unsalted butter softened at room temperature. 25 gram 2 tablespoon caster ultrafine sugar. 1 gram 1/8 teaspoon salt. 1/2 egg slightly beaten, use 25 gram only. 10 milliliters strong coffee, either brewed or instant. Stronger coffee results in stronger coffee aroma. For the filling: 12 unsalted butter cubes, 3 to 4 gram each, keep frozen until use. Instructions. For the topping: beat butter and sugar till pale in color. Gradually add in egg. Fold in flour on low speed. Add in coffee mixture and liquor. Mix till combined. Set aside. For the bun: add all the dry ingredients. Mix it thoroughly. Gradually add in water and egg mixture and knead on medium speed for about 10 minutes. Use the dough hook, slowly add in butter and continue kneading till you get a shining and elastic dough. Note: dough should be able to stretch without breaking. Cover dough with a cloth. Leave to proof for about 40 minutes or till the dough has doubled in size. When dough is proofing, prepare topping. Remove the dough and on a lightly floured surface, punch dough down to release the air. Divide dough in 25 grams each. Roll it out into a small circle and insert 1 teaspoon butter into each bun. Wrap it up. Leave the ready bun to proof for about 45 minutes or double in size. Put the cream topping into a piping bag and pump out the cream in circles around the bun. Bake at 215 Celsius for 18 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.